बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम जो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हिस्ट्री BS 18 का जो क्वेश्चन हुआ था 2017 में वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसके आंसर के साथ। ये वाला जो पेपर है आपका असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के पेपर में भी हेल्पफुल होगा, और इसके अलावा जो आने वाला लेक्चरर का टेस्ट है हिस्ट्री का जो पेपर होगा उसमें आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि पेपर किस किस्म का आता है, सिलेबस में क्या क्या होता है, और बाद औक़ात क्वेश्चन जो है वो रिपीट भी होते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अमेरिकन कांग्रेस हैज़ अ राइट टू रिमूव अ प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम ऑफिस बाय अ प्रोसेस नाउन एज इम्पीचमेंट। द मोस्ट सोवेरियन बॉडी ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज जनरल असेंबली। हु लेड द सेकेंड हबशा माइग्रेशन? हज़रत जाफ़र तैयार रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हु। Immediate reason of the Battle of Badr was the murder of Umru bin Hazarmi. Question number 5 है, Hudaybiyah truce was signed between Sulay bin Umru and Hazrat Muhammad bin Abdullah radhiyallahu anhu. Holy Prophet peace be upon him delivered his last sermon Khutbah Hujjatul Wida in the field of Arafat. Qutbuddin Aibak is buried in Lahore. Which of the Tughlaq king was idealist by nature? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Near an Iraqi town, Ambar, a capital was built under the name of Madina Tul Mansur by Abu Jafar al-Mansur. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan advised the Indian Muslim not to be in hurry to take part in politics. In his 14 point, one of the demand Quaid-e-Azam made was to separate Sindh from Bombay. All India Muslim League celebrated Day of Deliverance in 1939 after Congress quit the government. Cabinet mission plans suggest division of India into three parts. The annulment of partition of Bengal was done under Hindu pressure. At the time of construction of Kaaba in 606 AD, Holy Prophet solved a dispute on placing of Hajar Aswad. The last sermon, Khutbah Hujjatul Wida, was delivered in the Hijri year's 10th. Mahmud bin Fajr Nishapuri claimed propinquity during the reign of Mu'taqqil. Identify from amongst the following options the name of Akbar, one of 9 jewels, Abul Fazl. Aurangzeb fought Battle of Sarmaga against Dara Sheikh. मैं जो नेट है वो ऑफ कर देती हूँ ताकि कोई नोटिफिकेशन ना आए। कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान सजेस्ट डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया इनटू 3 पार्ट्स। ये तो हो गए हैं क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 80, आइडेंटिफाई फ्रॉम अमंगस्ट द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन द नेम ऑफ अकबर, वन ऑफ 9 ज्वेल्स, अबुल फजल। औरंगजेब फॉट बैटल ऑफ समग्रा अगेंस्ट दारा शेख। The first Republican President of America was Abraham Lincoln. Question number 21 है, headquarter of the League of Nations was at Geneva. Wasil bin Atta was an able disciple of Hassan Basri. Wasil bin Atta believed that the Holy Quran was a creation. Opening of Jacobin clubs throughout the Great Britain was in the influence of French Revolution. To pay off old debts, the U.S. Congress taxed certain homemade goods. In 18th century, it was called excise tax. Whom did Iltutmish nominate as his successor? Razia Sultana. For which of the Abbasid Khalifa burial 100 graves were dug? Al-Mansur. Foundation of Mu'tazila school of thought was Wasil bin Atta. From the Indian side, Tashkent Declaration was signed by Lal Bahadur Shastri. One accession to the throne by Humayun. Which areas were given by him to the brother Kamran? Kabatul Kandhar. One of the main characters of Silk Letter conspiracy was Ubaidullah Sindhi. Indus Water Treaty dispute Pakistan, the use of which of one of the following rivers Sutlej. In the Battle of Ditch, the idea to dig ditch was given by Salman Farsi. Imam Muhammad bin Abdullah, known as Nafas Zakiya, belonged to the family of Imam Hassan. Queen Zubaida built a canal between Taif and Makkah. Fazlur Fazl bin Rabah was minister of Harun. Mu'tasim built a cantonment on the bank of river Tigris. It is called Samara. Rousseau believed that the sovereignty of a state depends on will of people. After the French Revolution, privilege of nobility and Calgary was abolished. Rana Sanga fought a brave resistance battle at Kangna against Babur in 1527. Humayun allotted which area to his younger brother Hindul Kabul. Akbarnama, a biographical account of Emperor Akbar, was written by Abdul Fazl ibn Mubarak. A study of history, a great work of Toynbee. The idea of history was written by R. G. Collingwood. The state of Bhavalpur was founded by Nawab Bhaval I. Bahauddin Zakaria Multan belonged to which Sufi order? Sorwardiya. King James I granted a charter to Virginia Company in 1607 for setting up a colony to trade in Northern America. Sayyid Amir Ali laid foundation of the first Muslim political organization known as Central National Mohammedan Association. Under Gandhi Aryan Pact of 1931, Congress agreed to call off the civil disobedience. Before becoming Prime Minister, Feroz Khan Noon had worked as Governor of East Pakistan. When the Congress ministry left the office in 1939, Indian Muslims celebrated the Day of Deliverance. Before becoming the Governor General, Khwaja Nazmuddin had been the Chief Minister of East Pakistan. Napoleon took control of vast area of mainland Europe but failed to subdue England. Han dynasty had existed in ancient China. The territory of England has remained united as one country since which Christian century? 10th Romans arrived in Britain in 55 BC. The United Kingdom was founded on May 1, 1707. In his lingual address to the Constituent Assembly, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah supported the concept of equal before law. Code of Napoleon or Napoleonic Code was also called Civil Code. The young Italy created the Italian moral force. Ecclesiastical authorities in Middle Europe work under theology. Study of development of science and knowledge of science is called philosophy of history. Humayun during his hard time was granted military aid by Shah Thamsep I. Jamia Abbasiya, present day Islamia University Bawalpur, followed the academic programs of Al-Azhar University. Identify the name of Jahangir wife from the following name: Shabi Jamal Begum. Post-Cold War world bound to indulge in conflict, different cultural identities was said to Samuel P. Huntington. The state of Bhavalpur was abolished in October 1955. What was the military rank of Lord Mountbatten Admiral who became Chief Minister of East Bengal after independence? Khwaja Nazmuddin. What title was enjoyed the ruler of the princely state of Chitral? Mehtar. What was the title of ruler of state of Lasbela? Jam Sahib. Who was the Hussain Shaheed Sarwardi revealed of prime ministership? He had to submit forced resignation. Who was the first bureaucrat who was elevated to the post of Secretary General of Ministry? Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, during whose prime minister Gwadar was purchased back from Sultan of Muscat. Feroz Khan Noon, who had called Mr. Jannat the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. Gokhale. When was communal award announced by English government? 1931. Where was the first annual session of Muslim League held? League at Karachi. When was the Urdu Defence Association founded by Nawab Mohsin Malik? 1900. आबे हाथ बड़ा मारूफ तज़किरा के मुसन्निफ़ हैं मौलाना मोहम्मद आसान आज़ाद। तो ये थे हमारे क्वेश्चन। आई होप आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे और आपका आने वाला जो लेक्चरर का टेस्ट है हिस्ट्री का बहुत अच्छा होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह।